Myself Sana, and let's get started with the presentation. Serenity. Our team goes by the name Serenity. Serenity means peace, harmony and calmness, which are the exact qualities for which SDG 16 aims to promote. SDG 16 stands for Justice, Peace and Strong Institution. It mainly focuses on building a peaceful, calm community and making sure that every voice is heard. These are the table of contents. Now let's see what SDG 16 mainly focuses. First, creating a peaceful world. Next, equalizing justice for all. And building a strong governance, making sure to implement freedom, fairness and trust. And ending violence and corruption. Through our stories, we like to we like to give the application of SDG in each of the stories. Now I hand over to
Sana, this was just introduction. You are going to come back with your shorts.
Good morning to everyone. I am K. Dhanush. I am going to talk about the story of The Child written by Prem Chand and how it's related to SDG 16. The story has three main characters. One is Gangu and Komati Devi and the child. The Gangu is a kind and gentle servant. Gentle servants as he treated as a outcast by itself. And the child is who represent as a innocence. The story is set in village. The Komati Devis arrived to the village with the child and child arrived society because they reject him.
You are going very good. I love you.
Komati Devis arrived to the village with a child and with a child they reject him because of the caste discrimination in the society. And she's come to village at a lot of discrimination in the society. And the Gangus arrived and she accepts her Komati Devi as the child. She gave shelters and protection. He knows very well about the society will always discriminate him and outcast by itself. Let me see how the SDGs will relate to. First, the peace is related to caste discrimination by gender. And the second, they discriminated by peace and justice. Thank you. Next, I hand over to.
I am Rishita. The title of the story is The Last Child. Last Child was written by Maharaj Khan. The child with his parents visits the village fair during the festival of spring, where the child visits the village fair with his parents during the festival of spring, where he longs for sweets, chocolates, balloons, but his parents refuses at each stall. Then the parents, then the child, and they move to the bustling fairground. Then the child moves in bustling fairground where he get distracted and lags behind. Where he get distracted and lags behind, and cries for them, searches for them and cries out desperately. although the kind strangers around him tries to comfort him by offering sweets, chocolates, balloons, but the child refuses everything and cries only for his parents. And the child needs the presence of the parents more than the things which he decided earlier. So the last child shows that the parental love and their presence are more valuable than the material pleasure and worldly desire. Thank you. Over to Pratibha.
Your registration level.
Myself Pradeepa, and the title of my story is The Parrot in the Cage by Mulk Rajana. And these are the characters of the story. Rukmani, the main character, the old lonely widow who lost her husband, and Rahman, the late husband of Rukmani, and the parrot which symbolizes the life of Rukmani. Then Gafar, the shopkeeper who sold the parrot to Rukmani. And now the story, The Parrot in the Cage, written by Mulk Raj Anand, is about Rukmani, the old widow woman who lost her husband. She spends her days by talking to her pet parrot, and after the loss of her husband, she felt like that she was trapped in kind of loneliness, sadness and isolation. And the parrot in the cage becomes the representation of her loneliness and trap. And in the end, she sets the parrot free that express her longing for peace and the emotional freedom from the cage. And this story connects itself with the SDG number 16 as it emphasizes the peace and the emotional well-being. And the Rukmani's act of freeing the parrot represents the search for inner peace and freedom, shows that the true peace begins within the human heart. Thank you. Now I return it over to
Registration number 28.
The signature by Atia and Atia Hussain. So there are two main characters in this story. First, it's Nawab Lukman Ali Khan. He's a traditional nobleman and he represents the old India. So this man is charming, but in his work he's lazy. And the next character here is Mr. Subramaniam. He's a hard-working bank officer. This guy is efficient and he's good with numbers. Now the bank needs Nawab's signature for loan papers. As you can see in this picture, Mr. Subramaniam is all tired and running towards Mr. Nawab who's so cool and doesn't bother about the signature. So he's been chasing him. Even though Nawab gave free dinner and stay for Mr. Subramaniam, he failed to give the signature. So as you can see, then Nawab made an idea where he made rubber stamps out of Nawab's old signature. Mr. Subramaniam solved the problem by creating rubber stamp out of Nawab's old signature. And the story ends here. So this story symbolizes the difference between old India and new India. So as you can see, in old India where the rich people are getting served and the process is all slow, and in new India, everything is efficient and the work is done very quickly. So the lack of major difference between old India and new India arises the problem in the story. So tradition and modernity. We should connect both tradition and modernity by balancing each other. Tradition represents loyalty and integrity, and modernity, efficiency, and the work is all done fast. Balancing both ensures a strong institution. Strong institution is one of the very important component in SDG 16. So this strong accountable institution balances both tradition and modernity. Thank you.